Are you tired of lugging around that clunky suitcase that feels more like a hostage situation than travel gear? Fear not, intrepid wanderers. The era of the travel backpack has arrived, and it's about to upgrade your globe-trotting game to superhero status. Whether you're scaling mountains, navigating bustling cities, or simply trying to fit your entire life into a bag for a weekend getaway, the right travel backpack can make all the difference. Join us as we dive into the best travel backpacks, where style meets function, and packing becomes an art form instead of a game of Tetris. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Coofay Carry-On Backpack, our pick for best budget travel backpack. Looking for the ultimate travel sidekick? Meet the Coofay Carry-On Backpack, your new best friend in the crowded world of luggage. With its oversized, multifunctional design, it's got enough room for your weekend getaway wardrobe and all that college stationery you just can't live without. Plus, there's a dedicated laptop compartment that cradles devices up to 15.6 inches. Perfect for mixing work with your beachside daydreams. Are you a shoe aficionado? Coofay's got you covered with a special compartment for your kicks, so you can make a smooth switch when it's time to trade in those sneakers for sandals. And if the rain sneaks up on you, no worries. There's a high-density waterproof pocket for storing wet items without turning your backpack into a soggy mess. Need a little power boost while you stroll? The built-in USB port lets you connect to your power bank, not included, sorry, but we can't do everything. Keeping your devices charged while you navigate the world like the savvy traveler you are. You'll appreciate the comfort of its well-ventilated back and soft padding, perfect for those long-haul adventures. Plus, an anti-theft zipper pocket ensures your precious goodies stay safe. Just keep in mind, while the Coofay meets most airline requirements, it might play hard to get when it comes to fitting beneath every seat. So why wait? Elevate your travel game with the stylish and versatile Coofay Carry-On Backpack today. Number 4. Osprey Farpoint 40 liter, our pick for best travel backpack for comfort under heavy load. Meet your new travel sidekick, the Osprey Farpoint 40. If you're someone who values comfort and functionality while exploring the globe, this bag is about to become your best friend. Designed to carry heavy loads like a champ, it boasts a sturdy carrying and suspension system that magically disappears when you don't need it. Because who has time for unnecessary straps when you're jet setting? With its adjustable torso length, supportive light wire frame, and plush foam back panel, you'll feel as if you're being hugged by a friendly cloud. Perfect for those marathon travel days. Lifting the bag into overhead bins? No sweat. The extra thick grab handles make it as easy as pie. Now, let's chat about organization. The spacious main compartment and single internal mesh pocket help keep your wardrobe in line. But fair warning, that's all you get. If you're the type who likes to nibble on snacks and jam out to tunes while on the go, be prepared to dive deep into the abyss of your packing prowess, as there are no sneaky exterior pockets. If overpacking is your middle name and you want a bag that caters to your every whim, the Farpoint is your faithful companion. For those seeking a bit more external accessibility without sacrificing comfort, consider the Osprey Sojourn Porter or the Tortuga Travel Backpack. Adventure awaits, so pack wisely. Still searching for the perfect travel backpack? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Peak Design 45 liter, our pick for best travel backpack for photographers. Looking for a backpack that can keep up with your adventurous spirit? Meet your new travel buddy, a 45-liter wonder designed for all your escapades. Whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or planning an epic road trip, this beauty has got you covered, literally. With room for clothes, gear, and all those just-in-case items, you know you have them. You'll be breezing through your travels like a pro. Now let's talk organization. This isn't just any backpack. It's like your very own TARDIS, boasting a removable divider sleeve and compression straps that keep everything securely in place. And for all you photographers, rejoice! This pack doubles as a nifty camera bag with space for cubes and multiple access points. Yup, No need to wrestle with zippers when you can seamlessly grab your favorite jacket or accessory in seconds. Don't forget about the padded laptop sleeve, stretchy side pockets for water bottles or your trusty tripod, and a hip belt that not only supports your back, but also sneaks in a little storage pocket for your secret snacks. Plus, with its weatherproof and water-resistant recycled nylon fabric, you can trust this bag to withstand any misadventure. Sure, it's on the pricier side, but think of it as investing in travel happiness. It's a purchase you'll be high-fiving yourself for every time you pack it up for your next journey. Number 2. Asenlin 40 liter, our pick for best travel backpack with packing cubes. Looking to travel without emptying your wallet? Say hello to your new best bud on the road. The Asenlin 40L Travel Backpack. This beauty is not just a bag. It's your ticket to packing brilliance and comfort. With clever interior and exterior compression straps, you'll be packing like a Tetris champion in no time. Plus, with 3 packing cubes, small, medium, and large, you'll have designated homes for all those essentials, so you can effortlessly find that pair of socks you thought you lost. Versatility? Oh, it's got that too. The suitcase strap and horizontal carry handle mean you can flaunt your backpack however you please. Sure, it might not be the flashiest backpack on the block, but it comes packed with practical perks, like a water bottle holder to keep you hydrated on your adventures, because no one wants to be that person. You might wish for a Swiss Army knife level of chest strap adjustability, but fear not. Comfort is still the name of the game. Weighing in at just 2.7 pounds and measuring 18.5 by 12.5 by 9.5 inches, the Asenlin 40-liter travel backpack is a rugged, roomy, and budget-friendly companion for those who crave adventure without the hefty price tag. Grab yours and hit the road. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Cotopaxi Allpa 35 liter, our pick for best travel backpack overall. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate carry-on backpack, let me introduce you to your new travel BFF, the Cotopaxi Allpa 35 liter travel pack. Seriously, this pack is like the Swiss Army knife of backpacks, spacious, stylish, and ready for adventure. Thanks to its unstructured design and clamshell-style compartments, you'll be able to pack like a pro, squeezing your clothes into every nook and cranny. No more wrestling with your suitcase. The Allpa makes it feel like Tetris on easy mode. And don't worry about weather tantrums. Crafted from tough TPU-coated 1000D polyester, it's not only durable and liquid-resistant, but it also comes with a rain cover, because we all know how unpredictable Mother Nature can be. With handles on all 4 sides, you're basically the superhero of luggage lifting, easily tossing it into overhead bins from any angle. Sure, it lacks side pockets for your water bottles, but who needs that when the top pocket has your back? Plus, after 4 years of my own globe-trotting adventures, trust me, this backpack doesn't show a single sign of wear. But here's the cherry on top. It's a fantastic way to avoid those pesky checked luggage fees while keeping all your essentials in one stylish place. So go ahead, pack up the Cotopaxi Allpa and make your travels easier and a whole lot more fun. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of best travel backpacks. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which travel backpack you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.